Perfect. I see it.
You see it now?
Yep, I see everything. Perfect.
Okay, you see me moving it?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are all the ones. Like I started from man, bro, it's work. See, I could have took a trade right here,
Mm-hmm.
man, going
Yeah.
down anyway. But all right now, I'm just looking for everything buys. Well, obviously, everything was going towards the market direction. I'm only doing one trade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but buys, you see?
I
Buys?
think before I got online. Yeah. See, but nothing but buys from right here going on.
Yeah.
From this one right here all the way up. So it worked out so good, bro.
Yeah, because you only want to be
That's
playing with.
so that one right here, only that's my only sale. This one,
Yeah, that's the only sale. Yeah.
yeah,
But
bro.
still,
But
you would have made a
man,
lot of
this is
money on that sale. You could see how it's
this is
breaking structure to the
the
downside
truth.
right there.
Yeah,
That's awesome,
bro.
man.
That was great. This was a great one, bro. I really
Yeah.
like that.
Down right there. That
Yeah,
that looked
so
like the
I'm
trade
kind
I
of
took
excited
too.
especially for my demo one.
Yeah. I think that same trade you took is the same
Uh
trade
huh.
I took too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I took that same trade. Same position also. Oh, but I took it at 200. I entered at 200.
Oh, okay, okay.
You're getting the hang of it, right?
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do what you said. I'm gonna do the demo account all next week. Oh well, starting tomorrow actually, and then all next week, and then hopefully I hit that other 1,000, maybe more if I could. If I do, bro, yeah, I'm gonna put in some money.
Yeah.
Start my live account.
Okay. I want you to know this before you go on a live account, always have a stop loss, okay? Just always
Right,
have
right, right.
you could exit the position whenever you want. If you see the market going anywhere in the opposite direction that you don't want it to go, you can close your position manually, but always have that stop loss because you don't know. Market is unpredictable, anything can happen. You don't want a
Yeah,
candlestick to come and just drop down all the way below and never come back up. You want to have that stop loss.
right,
So if market goes anywhere in the opposite direction, it closes your position by itself. And then you just
right,
take
right.
you
Okay,
take one
okay,
loss
bro.
for the day. Okay, tomorrow you come back at it
But yeah,
with a clear mind, boom, back to your same system because your system works.
yeah. And I'm kind of a when it comes to money like this, I'm kind of a nervous guy. So I won't do that revenge trading and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'll just wait.
Yeah, that's good. All
Yeah.
right. So, do you have any more questions before I go and share my screen?
No, sir. No, sir. Go ahead. Let's do this.
Sounds good. Sounds good.